My first topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Good morning, respected sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. He was born on 2 October 1869 and in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mahatma Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was father of the nation and people lovely loving called him Bapu or father. Gandhi wife name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had four sons. Gandhi studied law from the University of London. He returned to India as a barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom. So he was imprisoned, imprisoned several times under his guidance. We became free on 15 August 1947. Truth and Ahimsa were the guiding principles of his life. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 13 January 1948. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi values and deeds, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace, and non-violence, and lead our country to an incredible nation. My second topic is the strength. Once there was a farmer in a village. He had several sons. They always quarreled among themselves. The farmer became very sad. He was worried about their future. One day he fell ill. He was so serious that he was immediately taken to hospital. He was about to die. At the last stage, he wanted to teach his sons a good lesson. Then he called all his sons and gave them a bundle of sticks. He told them to break the bundle. Each of them tried to break it turn by turn, but they could not. He told them to until the bundle. Then he gave each son a separate stick. My second topic is the greedy friends. Once upon a time, there lived three friends in a village. They are poor. They decided to go city to earn money. When they were walking through the forest, they found a boy bag of money. They decided to divide the money equally among them. They had been walking for a long time, so they were tired and hungry. They decided to have food. One of them were sent to a neighboring village to buy food. Other few friends stayed in the forest. After buying for food, he threw to kill his two friends by putting the poison in the food. He wanted to have all that money after killing them, so he put some poison into the food. On the other hand, other two friends decided to kill their friend as soon as he came back there. After that, they wanted to divide the money between two. When he reached his friend's talking poisoned food, they immediately murdered him and ate that food happily. Soon they also died because for that the bag of money was left un- unclaimed.
Hello, good evening, sir, and all my dear friend. As you know that sir has given daily three tasks like news, vocab, and story. So today my first task is story, and my story title is The Clever Fish. Once upon a time, a fisherman was fishing to a to fish a river as usual. He threw his net into the river and he just sat waiting there for fish together so that he could sell a lot of fish that day in the market and he get some good money from the fish. After some time, fisherman was happy. One day again the fisherman came and threw his net into the water, and he was thinking that he must got a lot of fish in the net and he sell and could got much money. So he acted to count the net out of the water, but then he saw there is a tiny fish in the net. The fish started and he want to sell the tiny fish. Then then the tiny fish then then the tiny fish started to talking to him. Fish said to the fisherman, "Oh fisherman, please leave me. Oh fisherman, please leave me. Otherwise, I will die from the net." But the fisherman did not respond. And again, Tiny Fish said to fisherman, "I will tell you something which is a hug deal and hug help for you. If you leave me back in the water, I will tell all my friend from tomorrow, and you bring all my friend the bank of the river so that when you so when you come next time you have catch much more fish." Fisherman thought to himself, "Wow, that is not a not a bad deal." He think that tomorrow I will catch a lot of fish and sell the market. Then then the poor fisherman came next day and felt in his java in net in the water, and he and the clever fish never came again never came again. And the fisherman catch no any fish. And moral of the story, you have to really clever, then you could survive in your life very easily. That's it, sir.
Hello everyone, I am going to tell a story which is Traveling Story Kathmandu. It is written by Vikram Seth. I get a cheap room in the center of town and sleep for hours. The next morning, with Mr. Shah's son and nephew, I visit the two temples in Kathmandu that are most scared to Hindus and Buddhists. At Pasupatinath, outside which a sign proclaims entrance for the Hindus only, there is an atmosphere of febrile confusion. Priests, hawkers, devotees, tourists, cows, monkeys, pigeons, and dogs roam through the ground. We offer a few flowers There are so many worshippers that some people trying to get the priest's attention are elbowed aside by others, pushing their way to the front. A princess of the Nepalese royal house appears, everyone bows and makes way. By the main gate, a party of saffron-clad Westerners struggle for permission to enter. The policeman is not convinced that they are the Hindus because only Hindus are allowed to the enter of temple. A fight breaks out between two monkeys. One chases the other, who jumps into a Sivlinga, then runs screaming around the temples and down to the river, the holy Bagmati that flow below. A corpse is being cremated on its bank. Washerwomen are at their work and children bathe. From a balcony, a basket of flowers and leaves, old offering now wilted, it dropped into the river. A small strain half protrude from the stone platform on the river bank. When it emerged fully, the goddess inside will escape and the evil period of the Kalyug will end on earth. That's all. Now I am going to tell two word meanings. My first word is chop. Its spelling is CHOP, chop. It means cut into pieces. In Hindi, टुकड़े टुकड़े कर देना. And my second word is choking. Its spelling is CHOKING. Choking, it means unable to breathe. In Hindi, सांस रुक जाना. Thank you.
Today my second task is vocab, and today my first vocab is overcome. Overcome means get hold. Synonyms is control and disturbed, and antonyms is fail and loss. An example is when will we overcome to coronavirus. And second vocab is failure. Failure means fail. Synonyms is negligence and loser. Antonyms is success. Example, if you don't hard work, then one day we all face failure. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to tell a story, The Monkey and the Jungle. In a mango orchard outside some village, there lived a mischievous monkey. The whole day he would jump from one tree to another. Thus the monkey kept on eating the ripe mangoes. The orchard keeper tried to trap the monkey, but every time the monkey escaped the trap. One day the monkey wandered out to the nearby town. The town people are so busy. There is so much crowd here. The monkey thought. Soon the monkey was sneaking into house and running away with eatables. By evening, he had made life difficult for the town people. The town is more fun than the orchard. I will live here, he thought. Days went by and the monkey was looked upon by the town people. He told her, "Here he comes again." They screamed when they saw the monkey. One day a jungle came to the town. The people of the town approached him. We want you to help us get rid of that mischievous monkey.
Good evening, sir. Today's news are: first news is Indian Coast Guard vessel Karnataka Barua commissioners at Kolkata. The Indian Coast Guard vessel Karnataka Barua was commissioned at Kolkata. It is the fifth and last in a series of fast patrol vessels, means FPV, built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers GRSE Ltd. The FPV are upgraded versions of the inshore patrol vessels with a modified form of the hull and can achieve a speed of 24 knots. Such vessels have also been delivered to Indian Navy by GRSE. And the second news is second edition of India Bangladesh Navy bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar. The second edition of Indian Navy Bangladesh Navy bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar commences in northern Bay of Bengal. Exercise Bongo Sagar is aimed at developing interoperability and joint operational skills through conduct of a wide spectrum of maritime exercise and operations. Thank
Two words are here. First word is inshore, means ashore on dry land. Sentence: the fishing boats usually stay close inshore, and the antonym of the word is deep water, blue water, oceanic. And the other word is dulcet, means sweet, euphonious. And the antonym of the word is harsh. Sentence: I heard a dulcet song. Thank you. My story is a butterfly's struggle. One day, a man finds a butterfly emerging from its cocoon. He sits there and watches the butterfly struggle to come out through the tiny opening. After a while, he decides to help the butterfly when he sees it is not moving. Using a pair of scissors, the man snips off the cocoon and opens it fully. The butterfly emerges out easily, but he has a swollen body and undeveloped wings. The man waits patiently to see the wings grow and tries to nurse the butterfly, but in vain. The butterfly spends the rest of her short life struggling to fly and crawling around. The man tried to do a good deed without realizing that some struggles are important in life. Nature has designed the butterfly's body to struggle before it can fly. So, the moral of the story is the struggles and hardships in life shape our personality. They make us courageous and independent. Thank
Good evening, sir. Today's news are Sri Arjun Munda launches Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Sri Arjun Munda has launched the Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program. The 3-year initiative has been jointly launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India (ASSOCHAM), an apex industry body. The initiative will develop the potential of tribal communities and buildings their capabilities to enhance their contribution in social economic growth. Another news is NABARD launches a special refinance facility for WASH program. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD has announced a special refinance facility of 800 crore rupees for fiscal year 2021. With this, NABARD will support the Government of India's water, sanitization and hygiene program. That's all, sir. Now the two words are initiative, which means verge, table, willpower. Antonyms of this word is apathy, laziness, idleness. Our classmates will undertake a new initiative. Another word is potential, which means forceful, convert, likelihood. Antonyms of this word is unlikely, lacking, helpless. I know you have potential to do this. That's all.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, all of guys. My story name is All That Glitters Is Not Gold. It is true that all that glitters is not gold. Glittering is related to different things. It produces illusion. For example, a thirsty deer perceives water in the desert, which is nothing but the case of mirage due to reflection and refraction of light. Thus, outward appearances may be misleading. It, it is said that man is not. It is said that man is not what he seems to be, and what he seems to be is not. The same, the same. Thus, people in this world are multifaceted. They should be judged. They should be judged on the basis of virtue and not through charming look. A shared person easily hides his frailties and evils behind a contrite look and behaves. It is not necessary that a particular man of nice appearance is a nice gentleman, as all that glitters is not gold. Thank you. Now to my second topic is vocabulary. First word is crisis. CRISIS means कठिनाई की घड़ी या संकट काल. Synonym this word is miss, MESS. Antonym CALM, calm. Example, economic system of our country is in crisis nowadays. आजकल हमारे देश की आर्थिक अर्थव्यवस्था कठिनाई की स्थिति में है. My next example is my friend helped me by giving money in the time of crisis. मेरी कठिनाई की स्थिति में मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे पैसे देकर मेरी मदद की. My next word is delicate. Delicate means नाजुक या कमजोर. DELICATE. Synonym breakable, BREAKABLE. Antonym TOUGH. Example, China's products are very delicate. चाइना के सामान बहुत ही कमज़ोर होते हैं. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today now I am going to tell the biography of APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name of Abul Pakir Zainuddin Abdul Kalam, 15th October 1931 to 27 July 2015, was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, and was immediately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on development of ballistic missile and launch vehicles technology. He also played pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998, the first science and original nuclear test by India in 1974. Now I am going to tell 2-word meaning. Canard, jhoti afwah. It means you should not spread canard without knowing truth. And second is Irritate, chidna. The way of your talking loudly irritates me.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to tell a story, The Elephant Drop. A man was walking nearby to a group of elephants that was headed by a small rope tied to himself front leg. She was amazed by the fact that the huge elephants are not even making an attempt to break the rope and set himself free. He saw an elephant trained standing behind them, and she expressed his first state of mind. The train said, when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to, to tie them. At, at that age, it's enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe that they cannot break also. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free. Moral of the story: it is the false belief to the elephant that denied their freedom for lifetime. Ano- Likewise, many people are not trying to work together succeed in their life just because they failed once before. So keep on trying and don't get tried up with some false refrain of failure. Thank you. Now I am going to tell our two word meanings. First, revolting. Revolting. Revolting means atyatit. And second word is troubled. Terribly. Troubled means बहुत बुरा भयानक.
Today's news headlines are: Delhi COVID-19 positivity rate has dropped to 5.19%, said by Jain. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain on Saturday said that coronavirus positivity rate in the national capital has decreased to 5.19% out of 56,258 samples tested yesterday. 2,920 samples tested positive for COVID-19. The minister added, currently there are 26,450 active coronavirus cases in Delhi. Of these, 7,678 are hospitalized and 15,852 patients are under home isolation. And second news headlines are: our prayers, best wishes with you. Praise COVID to US praise Melania. President Ramnath Kovind on Friday wished US President Donald Trump and his wife Melania Trump a speedy recovery after they tested positive for coronavirus. Our prayers and best wishes are with you during this time, said Kovind on Twitter. PM Narendra Modi also wished the US President and First Lady a quick recovery and good health. Rahul Gandhi's visit to Hathras politics, not for justice, said by Smriti Irani. Union Minister Smriti Irani, ahead of Congress delegation visit to Hathras to meet the 19-year-old deceased woman family, said that it's for their politics and not for justice to the victim. People are aware of Congress tactics, and that's why they ensured BJP win in 2019 polls. She added, the delegation will be led by Rahul Gandhi, Congress said. And today's word are, so first word is delegation, spelling DELEGATION, and the Hindi meaning is Pratinidhi Mandal. And the second word is deceased, spelling DECEASED, deceased, and its Hindi meaning is Mritak, means mortal body. And the third word is trivialized, means its spelling is TRIVIALISED, trivialized, and its Hindi meaning is Mahatvahin,